In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Shazam app isn't responding error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are experiencing this problem, then most likely your app has experienced a glitch and you need to fix this. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. Now, to fix this, we need to access the app info page, and you can do this through settings. So go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for apps. Now, if you tap on apps, look for this option called all apps or manage apps, as you can see here. If you tap on this, this will list all the apps you have on your phone. This process might be different depending on the Android version you are on. From the list, search for your app by name. So I have Shazam here, and here we need first to force stop the app. This will halt or stop any background activities that might be causing this. And once you're done, now go to clear data and tap on clear cache and okay, and then go to clear all data. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone and open your app. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix, but in case your app still does not respond, then most probably it might be your app has experienced a bug. For that, you need to check for any update for your app, and you can do this by going to Google Play Store. So I'll just search for Shazam. However, if you're on Android, look for App Store. And as you can see, I have an update from here. Update your app to the latest version. If you have updated your app but you still encounter this challenge, then most likely your app has bugs, and to fix that, you'll need to uninstall Shazam app and then install it afresh. So that's how you can fix Shazam app isn't responding on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.